Alrighty, let's look at this problem. Find the points on the curve. This function y is equal to this, where the tangent is horizontal. So guys, make sure you watch this video at the end because I'm going to mention the common mistake where we get this problem wrong, even though it looks the easiest one. So yeah, please pay attention, and without further ado, let's get this solved real quick. Okay, find the points on the curve where the tangent is horizontal. So let's just get the derivative of this function y, and by this time we already have the practice and we can see the patterns, right? Constant multiple rule, and then we have this constant, and this is simply going to be 2. Derivative of x cube is what? 3x square plus derivative of x square is 2x minus derivative of 12 times x is derivative constant multiple, right? So it's 12 times derivative of x is 1 times x to the 0, which is 1. So we are left with just 1 plus derivative constant is 0. So we have 3 times 2 6x square plus 3 times 2x is 6x minus 12 times 1 is 12. Now this is where we go. Find where the tangent is horizontal. So tangent occurs when the derivative is 0. So this is going to, and this is how we are going to find the points on the curve. So if derivative is 0, that means this is equal to 0 is equal to 6x here plus 6x minus 12. And let's just solve this problem, right? So what we have is, let's take 6 common here. We are left with x square plus x minus 2, and divided by 6 on both sides, we are ending with 0 is equal to x square plus x minus 2, and we can write this as back to basics, right? So x square plus, we can also write this as x, no, this is x, not 2x, 2x minus x, right? And minus 2. So we have, what we have here is x plus 2 minus 1 x plus 2. So x squared plus 2x minus x minus 2. So we have x minus 1 x plus 2, and if we further evaluate this, x minus 1 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to 1, and x plus 2 is equal to 0, means x is equal to negative 2. Okay, we have x's now. So to find the points, right, we can plug in back to our derivative equation here. So I mean in the y, right, in the original. See, I'm already doing the common mistakes that we are going to do during exam time as well. So please be aware of these, and let's just plug in the numbers now. So add x is equal to 2. I mean, yeah, add x is equal to, okay, let me just use different pen now actually. So add x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 times 1 cube plus times 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2 plus 3 minus 12 plus 1. This is equal to negative 6. So we have this point now, 1 comma 6, and at x is equal to negative 2. Doing the same thing, plug in into this function. Y is going to be 1, and we have the points -2 comma 21. So the points on the curve when y is equal to this, whether tangent is horizontal, are 1 comma 6, 1 comma -6, and -2 comma 21. Thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful.